Here we are on Grinstead Avenue, looking at a project that we started late last week. We've been doing some repair work, a lot of prep on this home, and today we started trimming it out. This is a Sherwin Williams project, and we use the multi-purpose, or the Pro Block primer I should say, followed by a Resilience top coat. We actually did one full coat of primer and 2 finish coats in order to achieve the colors on this home. It's coming along nicely. Doing some prep there in the alley. More to come in future postings. Stay tuned. Please visit our website at https://louisville-metro.certapro.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you shortly.